Meet the Bosch bench drill PBD 40, a powerful 710-watt tool designed for precision and ease. With a digital display, integrated laser and LED light, drilling becomes effortless and exact, perfect for creating perfect holes in steel or wood, up to 40 and 13 millimeters respectively. Its large work surface, quick lock clamps and parallel guide ensure secure, accurate positioning every time. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the Katsu Mini Bench Drill Pillar Press Stand, a powerful 100-watt tool with fully adjustable speeds up to 8,500 RPM, perfect for precise drilling in wood or metal. Its ergonomic design, 6mm chuck and handle lock make your projects easier and more accurate. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your DIY projects with the Greenson Universal Bench Drill Press Stand, an ultra-stable, adjustable and portable drill holder that turns your electric drill into a precision tool. With a drilling depth of up to 60 centimeters, a sturdy aluminum base and a slip-resistant frame, it ensures safe, accurate and effortless drilling every time. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the Zelken Mag Drill Press, a powerhouse with a 1550-watt copper motor that drills up to 50 millimeters deep and wide at an incredible 650 revolutions per minute. Its strong 13 to 900 Newton magnetic force keeps it securely attached to any ferrous surface, while the stepless control and reversible feature make every job smoother. With 11 drill bits and an efficient cooling system, this portable drill is perfect for industrial, construction or DIY projects, making tough drilling tasks effortless. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Meet the Zelken Mag Drill Press, a 1550-watt powerhouse with a magnetic force of 13,000 newtons, making drilling into almost any metal surface a breeze. With stepless speed control from 0 to 580 revolutions per minute, reversible operation and a sturdy portable design, it's perfect for heavy-duty projects like shipbuilding or home renovations. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your workshop with the Shepach DP60 bench pillar drill, featuring a powerful 710-watt motor, 2-speed gearbox, digital display, laser, LED light, and quick-release chuck. It delivers precise, wobble-free drilling into wood, steel, plastic, or tiles. Stable and versatile. Perfect for pros and DIYers alike. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment. Looking to boost your drilling precision? The Yosu Healthgear Bench Drill Press Stand is a game changer, made from rugged aluminum alloy and steel. It's adjustable, stable, and perfect for home or shop use. With a maximum drilling depth of 2.4 inches and compatibility with drills of 38 or 43 millimeters collar diameter, it keeps your bit steady for flawless, more accurate holes every time. You have the purchase link in the video description and the pinned comment.